Ebbendo bene lya Western Nile kimu ku bitundu bya Uganda ebisingamu ababundabunda nga bava South Sudan ne DR Congo. Eno wasangibwa disitulikiti y'Yuming baliteerimu wadde oluguudo olwakolansi okusa gavumenti byafunye obuyambi okuva mu banka y'ensi yonna bwa bombi 409. Sente tugenda kuzimba oluguudo lwa kilomita 13 okuva e Koboko okudda e Yumbe uyo Moyo.
Officially commissioned the construction from Koboko, Yumbe, up to Moyo Road.
Samin Salbira Nabanja yatongoza okola oluguudo luno abakulembeze b'enjiri batenza President Museveni olw'okupalowoozaako.
We want to thank His Excellency and the government of NRM for this historic moment of having road constructed from Koboko to Moyo.
You are a mother of action. Right Honorable Prime Minister, we are very proud of you because your results are visible.
I am Engineer Azza. I'm going to make sure I do my overall work so that there's no shoddy work, there's a value for money, no embezzlement, no corruption.
Yes, Minister akatiza obukulu bw'oluguudo luno nga bulugenda okuleeta enkulaakulana mu bitundu bya West Nile.
In our efforts to enhance our country's infrastructure and connectivity in Uganda, particularly in the areas of Koboko, Yumbe and Moyo district, West Nile in general.
Alagidde kampuni y'Abachina okutandikirawo okuzimba oluguudo.
But when we are coming, the road is not motorable. It has a lot of potholes. Let the contractor start tomorrow. As we wait for the commission, for the official start of the work.